Let's say we've got a good amount of community out there that are thinking about skilled trades. Maybe they've done a little bit of college and they figured out that, college is not for them. And then they've heard a bit, maybe they have a relative that is pitching them on, hey, I'd like to check out skilled trades. You can do really well at it. So what are some of the things that the mindsets that are most important for somebody? Let's say they make that decision, that crossroads. They're at that crossroads and they decide, I'm not going to continue on with college, or I'm not going to go to college. I'm going to try the trades. What's the secret sauce? Top few things you can think of that mindsets that these individuals, men and women, should have if they choose a career in skilled trades. What are some of the things that'll really give them a boost to be all that they can be? Sorry about the pun.
No, I get that. And in fact, I was talking to somebody yesterday about this very topic. In particular, we were talking about young ladies getting into the industry. And, it used to be that our industry required you to do a lot of heavy lifting because our age people weren't smart enough to make tools to do the lifting. We thought we could do the lifting. And we've advanced really, really well as an industry of taking care of ourselves, taking care of our bodies, and in particular, taking care of our backs, so that we now have better tools. We have better practices to ensure that we're doing stuff safely, like lifting, rigging. So you're not as subjected to the rigors on the body like maybe old timers were.